Top 5 foods highest in phosphorus. Chicken breast is a lean meat that provides a substantial amount of phosphorus. It can be cooked in various ways, such as grilling or baking. Amount: 3 ounces, 85 grams, cooked phosphorus, 228 milligrams. Pumpkin seeds are a good source of phosphorus. They can be eaten as a snack or added to salads and baked goods. Amount: 1 ounce, 28 grams, phosphorus, 332 milligrams. Lentils are legumes that provide a good amount of phosphorus. They can be used in soups, stews, and salads. Amount: 1 cup, 198 grams, cooked phosphorus, 356 milligrams. Salmon is a fatty fish that is high in phosphorus. It can be grilled, baked, or added to salads and other dishes. Amount: 3 ounces, 85 grams, cooked phosphorus, 250 milligrams. Dairy products like milk and cheese are significant sources of phosphorus. They can be consumed on their own or used in various recipes. Amount: 1 cup, 245 grams, milk phosphorus, 238 milligrams.